Hey there. Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
The position of the subject pronouns in a sentence in English. The position of subject pronouns in a sentence in English is always before the verb. This point is very important. So subject pronouns always come before a verb. So I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, it speaks, we speak, you speak, they speak. So always they come before a verb. Remember this point. It's very, very important. Let's continue. What's the position of object pronouns in a sentence in English? The position of object pronouns in a sentence in English is always after the verb. This point is also very, very important. Remember, object pronouns always come after a verb. So me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them always come after a verb. For example, you help me, I help you, I help him, I help her, I help it, you help us, I help you, we help them. So these, they come after a verb. Let's see examples. We're going to see examples of subject pronouns and object pronouns in sentences in English in positive, negative, and question form. Let's see. So now, with the blue color, I've written subject pronouns. In this slide, we have just I as a subject pronoun. So, and subject pronoun come before a verb. Verb is know, see, understand, help, love. And object pronoun comes after a verb. So let's see the first example. I, which is subject pronoun, know, the verb, and you, object pronoun. So the sentence is, I know you. The second sentence, I see you. The third sentence, I understand you. The fourth sentence, I help you. The fifth sentence, I love you. So in this slide we have I, subject pronoun, and you, object pronoun. Let's see the same sentence in the negative form. I don't know you. So we have I, subject pronoun, we have don't, the negative of the verb know, and we have you, object pronoun. So I is before the verb know, and you is after the verb know. Let's see all the examples. I don't know you. I don't see you. I don't understand you. I don't help you. I don't love you. So let's see the question. In the question, so because we have I, so the word is just do. So do is not subject pronoun. So it's a mistake. So I is the subject pronoun. So the word that is written in blue is the subject pronoun. So do is auxiliary verb to ask the question. And do is auxiliary verb to ask the question. I is subject pronoun. Know is the verb, the main verb of the sentence. And you is object pronoun. So the sentence, the question is, do I know you? Do I see you? Do I understand you? Do I help you? Do I love you? So this is the question form.